Whoa! Can sunlight really make electricity without any battery? Let's check it out. Assalamu alaikum. Dear children, welcome to Little Genius Lab, where we explore science and nature and discover the signs of Allah's greatness. Today, we are doing the solar power experiment. First, take a small solar panel. Now, take a toy motor and connect its wires to the solar panel. Place the solar panel in direct sunlight. Watch carefully as the motor starts spinning. Move the panel closer to the light and notice how the motor spins faster. Now, move the panel into the shade. See how the motor slows down and stops. Bring it back into sunlight and the motor starts again. This shows that more sunlight gives more electricity. Allah says, "And He made the sun a shining lamp." This reminds us the sun is a great blessing from Allah. Science is amazing. Even sunlight can make things move. And remember, this is your Little Genius Lab. Like, subscribe, and share. What else do you think can work using solar energy?